Greetings! Hello, Dr. Isaac Kleiner here, and speaking. I found myself in this location which looks like a subway station, but with cars, rails, buildings, and a roof, as if I'm in a gigantic subway station somewhere in the eastern Ukraine. I hope you win! Intriguing. The architecture, decidedly utilitarian, yet undeniably robust. Note the electrical conduits, the ventilation shafts, a complex system even in its apparent decay. One wonders about the original power source, the flow of resources. Are these systems still dormant? I think they are, the light on. Or perhaps repurposed as a subway station. One must be cautious. Of course, hidden dangers can lurk in such places. Remember the resonance cascade. Adjusting my glasses, though hopefully less likely to encounter headcrabs down here. Still, one can never be too careful. Fascinating nonetheless. A veritable labyrinth for forgotten engineering.